Hello! Today I'm going to be showing you my slime. So, I have got a couple of different ones. I've got this one, I'm not showing you that. Wait. I forgot to put the lids on these. Just put the lid on. Okay, this is another one. I'll show you it in a minute. That's the sound, yeah. I love doing that sound anyways. Then I have a couple of different slimes. Some of them are not slime at all. Yeah, none of them are, no, a lot of them are slime, but one or two are not slime. So, this is the orange one that I was talking about. It's called Nose Part. Yeah. So, yeah, this is really cool. My brother Ruben made this slime. And then we have this glow-in-the-dark slime that I made. It's super duper cool. And then I have this one that is not slime. It is called Gummy Bug Powder slime. And then I have this one that's make your own putty slime. Yeah? And then this one is what my brother made. And it's a little, I don't know what this is. Comment down below if you know what this is. It is a weird thing. I don't know what it is. So I'll talk about that in a bit. Comment down below which one you want to see first. Well, if you comment this one, because it's the baddest slime, I'm going to start with that one. This, look, it's like rubber. It's rubber. Like, you know, in school, you use a rubber to rub out your stuff. Here, I've got red rubber. It's like rubber. It's nowhere near slime. It's so funny. So, yeah, look. You can tell it's rubber. Never mind with that noise, because that's my brother's. Okay. Oh no. So, yeah, that is no slime. I'm going to put them all out again, all together, in a minute. After I've shown you all the slimes. And then this one, it is not the nose part one, yeah. Keep popping it my nails. Yeah, this is super difficult. It stretches. It stretches more. When I look at it, it's super stretchy. But when it's on camera, then you can't really see it stretch. But it is bigger than what I was stretching in real life. Yeah, but I can't slime bubble. I don't even know how to slime bubble anyways. So, it doesn't matter. Do you guys know the song? It doesn't matter. Comment down below, because it is super cool. I don't even know it, but my dad told me when I always say, it doesn't matter. He goes, it doesn't matter from the song. It is weird. Like, yeah. I just like doing this. It's the noise. Yeah, it's so cool. Okay, so I'm gonna put this away. And then, not this one, maybe this make your own pretty slime. I'm gonna show you that little this. I'm gonna show you that at the end after I've put them all out as well, because that is a pretty different one. It's not slime. It's like very hard. It is not slime, okay? That's why I'm gonna keep that till last. Okay. Oh, this is, I put red in it. Well, this is stretching more again than on camera. Yeah, it's stretching bigger than the camera. Yeah, you can't even see my hands. Mom, look at this. This is actually slime. This is what my brother Ruben made. I've actually not stretched any slime that long yet.
That's your sister. See a little bit of your sister.
So, yeah, let's keep moving quickly. Now, glow in the dark slime. So this is a sticky slime, but it is super cool. Okay, let's try slime bubbling. Slime bubble! Oh, do you see this? Oh, it popped. Well, this is super cool. Just sticky. Okay, let's move on to putting it all together. Not like mixing it together, like putting them different sections of it. Maybe let's not do that. It's a long video. And then move on last. This. It's hard and it's just to make like a little thing. And then you can like decorate your room with it, and it is so cool. And my brother, I made this slime. My brother Ruben made this slime. My brother Ruben, the same, made this slime. He made two slime. I accidentally made this slime, that's rubber. And then my brother Romeo made this slime. It is super cool. And my other slime that I made, Snort slime, it's blue tack. Why did I pick that one? No idea. Okay. Mom, can you come and press it? Because I've got sticky hands. Bye.